I gave you my heart.
Güey, no.
Oh girl, this is agony. I wish you were into me, but no, it's not meant to be. No matter how good I treat you, oh no, you're repetitive. He treats you like shit, but to me you say I friendzone you. I want you here with me whenever I'm sad, but you'll never get to take me too far.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.